Have you ever taken a mission? Long before the age of rockets and space telescopes, the moon ruled the imagination of humankind. Ancient civilizations around the world looked up to the night sky and saw the moon as a divine presence, a powerful force influencing their lives and their world. From the Neolithic builders of Stonehenge to the architects of the Egyptian pyramids, many constructed their monuments with precise alignments to lunar cycles, marking solstices, eclipses, and full moons. These structures are silent witnesses to humanity's ancient relationship with the moon, a relationship woven into culture, religion, and daily life. The lunar cycle dictated planting seasons, fishing times, and religious festivals. It was the cosmic clock that guided life's rhythms. The phases of the moon symbolized birth, growth, decay, and renewal. Concepts immortalized in stories, myths, and art across continents. The moon was often personified as a goddess or god. The Greeks worshipped Selene, the Romans revered Luna, and countless others fashioned myths to explain this glowing orb's influence on the tides, fertility, and fate. The moon was also science's first frontier. Ancient astronomers observed its motions with remarkable precision, developing calendars based on its cycles that persisted for millennia. They charted eclipses, phases, and lunar positions, laying the groundwork for the birth of modern astronomy. The Antikythera mechanism, an ancient Greek device, modeled lunar and solar cycles with astonishing accuracy. This mechanical marvel demonstrates that even thousands of years ago, humans sought to uncover the moon's secrets through observation and ingenuity. The moon inspired countless legends, stories of love, mystery, and transformation. It was seen as a portal to other realms and a guardian of dreams. Its steady light was both a comfort and a challenge, beckoning explorers to understand what lay beyond the horizon. As our knowledge of the moon deepened, those ancient observations became the foundation for tomorrow's explorers. The same moon that guided the ancients continues to inspire scientists, engineers, and dreamers to this day. From myth to measurement, humanity's fascination with the moon evolved into a quest for understanding. The next chapter will reveal how the Renaissance and scientific revolution peeled back the moon's mysteries, setting the stage for one of humanity's greatest adventures, reaching for the stars. The Renaissance sparked a revolution, a time when curiosity met technology, and humanity sought to understand the cosmos with unyielding rigor. The moon, once wrapped in myth, became the first frontier of modern scientific inquiry. In 1609, Galileo Galilei aimed his newly invented telescope at the moon and forever changed our understanding. He revealed a rugged, cratered landscape, far from the smooth, perfect sphere imagined before. Galileo's sketches, showing mountains and valleys, transformed the moon from a celestial mystery into a world with geography and history. Following Galileo, astronomers across Europe refined their instruments and techniques. They mapped the lunar surface with increasing precision, noting the dark basaltic plains, known as maria, which are vast lava flows that shaped the moon billions of years ago. Scientists also began to study the moon's motion, carefully measuring its phases, eclipses, and orbit. This led to a better grasp of celestial mechanics, tying the moon's rhythm to Earth's tides, rotation, and axial tilt. The moon was more than a scientific curiosity. It was a laboratory in the sky. Its lack of atmosphere preserved its surface eternally, making it a record keeper of our solar system's violent past. Impact craters, now understood as scars from comets and asteroids, provided clues about planetary evolution and solar history. These discoveries laid the foundation for space exploration. Every crater studied, every phase calculated, brought humanity one step closer to the radical idea of traveling beyond Earth. One of the most fascinating discoveries was that the moon is tidally locked. It rotates once on its axis in the same time it takes to orbit Earth, presenting the same face to us always. This near side shows the Maria and ancient highlands, while the far side remained a mystery until space probes peered beyond our view. The far side is dramatically different, rockier, heavily cratered, and with few Maria. It hides secrets that astronomers still analyze today, including puzzling magnetic anomalies and strange radiation levels. As the 20th century dawned, brilliant minds equipped with this knowledge raced to turn dreams into reality. The moon became a target, not just for science, but for the deepest aspirations of human exploration and national pride. The stage was set for one of humanity's most ambitious adventures, sending humans to the moon and returning them safely home. Our story continues with these incredible pioneers, whose courage would take us beyond Earth's atmosphere and into the cosmos like never before. As we venture forth, remember, the moon's scientific unveiling is a tale of relentless curiosity, technological breakthrough, and the human spirit. The 20th century brought one of humanity's most extraordinary achievements, the Apollo program. Sparked by a fierce race into space, this bold initiative sought to put a human foot on the moon and return safely to Earth, forever changing the course of history. On July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong's words echoed across the globe. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. With those words, Armstrong stepped onto the lunar surface, planting humanity's flag on an alien world for the first time. Over 6 successful missions, 12 astronauts walked the moon's surface, exploring craters, valleys, and plains. They conducted critical experiments, measured radiation levels, and gathered precious lunar samples, over 380 kilograms of rocks and dust that continue to provide scientific insights today. Apollo's legacy isn't just in footprints frozen in dust. It's in the foundation it set for space exploration, inspiring generations to dream beyond Earth's limits. Not every mission was smooth. The near disaster of Apollo 13 showed human resilience in the face of danger. Quick-thinking engineers and calm astronauts turned potential tragedy into a triumphant return, showcasing the bravery and innovation central to space exploration. The moon's environment was harsher than anticipated. Extreme temperatures, deadly radiation, and the eerie silence of vacuum space. Yet, despite these challenges, Apollo astronauts gathered invaluable data, leaving behind scientific instruments which continue sending signals decades later. Apollo missions unlocked answers to ancient questions about the moon's formation, age, and geology. But they also posed new ones, igniting a renewed curiosity that fuels today's space endeavors. From Apollo's pioneering leaps grew today's growing global excitement. Governments and private companies now set their sights back on the moon, planning new missions with aims beyond exploration, towards colonization, resource utilization, and as stepping stones for Mars and deep space. The Apollo legacy is not a closed chapter but a prologue to humanity's continuing adventure with the moon. Our next steps depend on the dreams seeded by those first explorers walking in footprints that still await ours. The moon is no longer just a destination of the past, it is the gateway to humanity's future. Today, a new era of lunar exploration is dawning, driven by cutting-edge technology, international collaboration, and private innovation. NASA's Artemis program aims to land the first woman and next man on the moon, rekindling the spirit of Apollo but with a revolutionary goal: to establish a sustainable human presence. Artemis isn't just about exploration, it's about building the infrastructure for humanity's future beyond Earth. Technologies are rapidly evolving to meet the moon's harsh environment. Engineers are designing smart habitats that can shield humans from radiation and extreme temperatures. 3D printing using lunar soil, known as regolith, could allow astronauts to build structures on-site, drastically reducing supply needs from Earth. Solar energy farms will provide power, while life support systems aim to recycle water and oxygen, creating near self-sustaining lunar colonies. One of the greatest lunar treasures is water ice, hidden in craters that never see sunlight. Extracting this water will be essential, not only for drinking and breathing, but also to produce hydrogen and oxygen fuel, enabling spacecraft to refuel on the moon and extend their reach deeper into space. This concept of in situ resource utilization marks a new frontier, turning the moon into a launch pad for Mars missions and beyond. This new moon race is global and multi-sector, Countries such as China, Russia, India, and members of the European Space Agency are developing their own missions. Private companies, including SpaceX and Blue Origin, are innovating ways to reduce cost and increase access to lunar space. Collaborations, partnerships, and competition alike fuel unprecedented ambitions, ushering in a new age of exploration that could last decades. The Moon could also become a scientific laboratory and a test bed for technologies that will make long-duration space living possible. Imagine growing food on lunar soil, monitoring Earth's climate from orbit, or studying cosmic phenomena without atmospheric interference. As humanity prepares to extend its footprint, the Moon represents hope, a chance to develop sustainable off-world living and inspire new generations to look skyward. The Moon is much more than a celestial body. It is a symbol, a teacher, and a beacon guiding humanity's destiny. Over billions of years, it has witnessed the drama of our planet's evolution and the rise of intelligent life. Today, it stands on the threshold of becoming humanity's first true outpost beyond Earth. The pathways forged by ancient civilizations, the triumphs of Apollo, and the ambitions of Artemis are all threads woven together in the tapestry of human curiosity and resilience. The Moon teaches us about survival in hostile environments, adaptation, and cooperation, lessons essential for our destined journey to Mars and beyond. Our relationship with the Moon continues to evolve. Scientists use lunar orbit as platforms to study cosmic phenomena shielded from Earth's atmosphere, while advanced laboratories analyze samples that may unlock secrets about life itself. Each step forward is a tribute to the Moon's role as a gateway, both literally and metaphorically, into the vast universe. The Moon will be humanity's launchpad for interplanetary exploration. Its resources, position, and proximity allow us to test and build technologies to reach Mars and other worlds. It's the bridge between our home planet and the stars, where dreams of space settlement become tangible realities. As you watch this celestial body journey across the night sky, remember, our bond with the Moon is timeless and transformative. It has shaped our past, anchors our present, and points toward the endless horizon of our future. Together, we continue to write the Moon's story, not just as silent observers, but as explorers, dreamers, and pioneers. This concludes our Lunar Odyssey, a journey spanning epochs, myths, science, and space exploration. Thank you for joining us. Continue exploring, asking questions, and reaching for the stars. The Moon is just the beginning.